Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of our Google gift card is not working and there is a redeem problem. So for that you need to open up your Play Store and then go to your profile by clicking on the top right corner, and here click on payments and subscriptions, and after that click on redeem code, and here just type in your code that you want to redeem, and after that just click on redeem. And if you will find an error over here, then you just have to click on this red colored line. Here you will see this option, just click on it, it is clickable, and after that just tell your problem to the support and they will be able to help you out. And for that you need to just scroll down, and here you will find this option of contact us. Just click on it and just type here that you can't redeem your code, and after that click on next, and here just select this option of can't redeem gift card and click next, then click next again, and here click on chat option, and you will be able to chat with the customer executives and just tell them your problem and they will be able to help you out as soon as possible. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.